The following video contains content and/or language which may be unsuitable for younger viewers. Viewer discretion is advised.
Places everyone.
Roll camera.
Cure the shield.
Did you just say cure the shield, Sam?
Sorry, Dave. That was just a slip of the tongue.
What's so funny, Scotty? The shield's taking Sam literally again.
Shield's ears. They're like justice. They hear but cannot see.
Blind shields.
Shields are blind.
That sounds silly. Hog 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 hog. If the shield was blind, it could bump into the rings.
Don't give the shield any ideas, Anna.
Sorry.
I didn't know shields had any ideas. They're smarter than you think.
Scotty.
Yeah, Sam.
The shield should display W me, not Y me.
Sha. Details, details.
Scotty.
Sam.
What are you guys yelling about?
Could you please keep it quiet? Our next door neighbors are complaining.
I didn't know BFF City had a noise suppression law.
I thought La La Land was a democracy. If we didn't know better, we could have sworn some insurgents from another land were trying to seize power here.
Insurgents from Rafuka?
Probably orchestrated by YouTube user Nightook. He'll do anything to turn La La Land into a nation of repressive laws.
You can say that again.
Now you got that straight, Scotty. The shield should say W me, not CS, ST, BS, YB or DD, but W me. Capiche?
Sheesh.
Just the sheesh.
You shush the sheesh.
Now what?
Sha. You wanted the WV shield. You got the WV shield.
Yeah, but what's with the music?
I never heard the NBC Peacock music breakdown before. Maybe Scotty just gave you the bird, Sam. Ha 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 ha.
If Scotty keeps fucking up the music, I'll give him the bird, alright.
Uh-oh. I'd better get to the news studio to deliver an urgent bulletin.
It's not a news flash, Harvey.
It's another glitch in the music.
You got that right, Hank.
Someone must have sent us the wrong music cues.
Scotty!
Quit yelling at me! Sam.
Get the music right, or else.
Sha. I can't stand being, or else it.
Ha 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 ha. Did you hear that, Abby? The music's lesson. Ha 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 ha.
That's not funny. And Scotty, do you know what this means?
Don't tell me I have to work weekends again.
Rain overs here, Scotty. You're fired.
Fired. Fired.
No, damn it, Microsoft, send him a break. I'm only human, you know. If you don't rehire me, I'll kill myself, and if you deny responsibility, you delay you. Wait.
Microsoft Sam, are you out of your mind? You rehire Scotty right now or you're fired.
Take it easy, Sam. You know Mr. Warner's right. Remain calm. Oh. Tantrum in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
No, damn, crappity, crap, Mr. Warner. Can't I just have a certain right to personnel moves around here? I can't afford to keep Scotty on staff. If he keeps fucking up the intro, he's a dime a dozen bum. You'll hear me, he's a bum.
Take it easy, Mr. Warner. Stay cool. Uh-oh. Tantrum is coming on.
No, Sam, you know they brought me in to keep you in line. Now you rehire Scotty right this minute, you son of a bitch.
Take it easy, Dave. You know they're all upset. Stay cool. Uh-oh. Tantrum is coming on.
No, damn it. Scotty, Sam, and Mr. Warner, quit wasting time throwing tantrums. I got this Looney Tunes intro bloopers video to do, you bastards.
Sorry about our tantrums, Dave, but you know I get pissed off when Sam fires Scotty without my approval.
I'm sorry too, Dave. And I'm equally sorry for firing you, Scotty. You're rehired.
Thanks, Sam. And I'm sorry too, Dave, for the way I acted.
There's no need to apologize, guys. We're all entitled to go berserk.
Can we get on with the Looney Tunes intro?
Go to it.
Scream Gems music in Looney Tunes. Bugs Bunny meets Batfink. Ha 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 ha.
Things will really be in total chaos around here if you don't play the proper music.
Steady, Sam. I wouldn't want you to go insane again.
Why is that, Mr. Warner?
Because I might go insane myself.
Whoa, geezer, yuck. What's that mean?
That's what I thought they were chanting.
Maybe it's, oh, he's a good.
Or even, go keeps hot.
It's actually the old WD-40 jingle played backwards.
Can we at least get the music right?
Roger Dodger.
Access denied.
What? Access denied?
Who'd do such a crazy thing as denying us access to the proper music for the Looney Tunes intro?
Surprise, Gay Manson and friends.
We are back, and we haven't come back to play Monopoly.
Speaking of Monopoly, I played it last New Year's Eve and won with hotels on Boardwalk and Park Place.
We said we are not here to play Monopoly.
That's not the reason why we came here.
So what brings you infernal imps back here again? Against my wishes?
Flattery.
Oh Dave, I love it when you flatter us. Hot.
Flattery schmattery. What brings you back here again? Presumably to stir up trouble for us?
YouTube user PlayStation Central 82 is pissed off at you.
He's pissed because the Almighty and his angel keep stopping us from defeating them. That's because everything would be ruined if you evil beings defeat us even once, and that is forbidden from ever happening.
And if PlayStation Central 82 doesn't renounce his allegiance to you, he'll never know paradise. Too late. I plan to use PlayStation Central 82 to lead my armies into battle against you.
And I claim Dave for myself. We haven't finished business to attend to.
You're still too dangerous for me, she-devil.
He's right, you infernal man-stealer. Let go of him. He doesn't belong to you.
And who's gonna make me? We are gonna make you.
Because the power of the Inferno cannot match the power of the Supernal. Scandalous. Not scandalous. Scandalous. Not scandalous. Scandalous. Not scandalous. You are forbidden to torment anyone without showing conclusive proof of guilt first, and that's final.
Control yourself, she-devil. Keep your cool. Tantrum is coming on now.
No, damn it. Every time I try to take day for myself, the almighty stops me. It's scandalous, you hear me? Scandalous.
Now look what you did. You made the she-devil throw a tantrum.
And for no good reason, as usual.
Since the devil already threw a tantrum, it was the she-devil's turn this time.
Correct, Dave.
These maleficent malefactors can rant and rave all they want, but contrary to what PlayStation Central A2 thinks, these evildoers can never defeat me. Never. That did it. The crowning insult. Let's get him, she-devil.
Mom's away.
Gun. They shat on me again. Ew.
You'll get yours for this, devil and she-devil. Ew.
Dave's right. There is no justification for this vile and grossly disgusting act.
How dare you soil yourselves all over Sam and Dave in my presence? Take that. Curses. Foiled again. These hard landings hurt. Ouch.
I hope PlayStation Central A2 gets Dave Madsen banned from YouTube for this. Oh, my aching sphincter.
Sore losers. Yes. Profits. No.
Sam and Dave are all cleaned up now. You may resume your video.
Thank God.
You're welcome. Oh, stinker.
Where's the me?
Back in the hive. Ruffle. Ouch! My crotch! Ow!
Are you alright, Scotty?
If Sam keeps kicking me in the crotch, we may never have children. Ouch!
Where's Officer Flanagan?
Right here, Sam.
How come you didn't arrest Scotty for stealing my laugh line? I thought Night Took had Milo reinstated.
He did, but Dave appealed the ruling and got the law thrown out again because if La La Land should be a democracy, you can't have a patent on the left line because that would violate free speech.
Touché, Sam.
Oh, boogers.
The B is back.
But where's the W?
We used it to retrieve the beat. Ha 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 ha.
Methinks we goofed again.
You think's right, Scotty. We almost had it. Now put the W and B together, and with the right music, we'll have it right down Broadway.
How about Fifth Avenue?
Jumping Jehoshaphat.
The shield exploded again.
Don't tell me the devil and she-devil did it.
It wasn't the devil and she-devil this time. It was the work of Night Took.
Him again?
That's right, Dave. He's incredibly pissed off at you for not letting Sam's left line restriction stand.
You should ban him from your YouTube channel if he keeps bugging you like this.
I might just do that.
Should we try the intro again, Dave?
Not now, Scotty. It's been a long day. Let's pick it up in the morning.